council meeting has just wrapped up and we touched on some key issues that are important to our community, including public safety, open spaces and sustainability. We're taking steps to protect our natural bushland, our creeks and our waterways by progressing our biodiversity planning proposal to the next stage. We're also seeking a review of the planning rules so we can provide better protection to our residents when it comes to complying developments. After feedback from the community, the draft Cars Bush Park and Todd Park Master Plan is now ready to progress to the next stage. Keep a lookout for this. At the Aldi store at Carlton, we're implementing some updated parking and signage changes to improve the safety around this area, and council will also be considering the feasibility of a roundabout at Edward and Colvin Street in the future. We've listened to your feedback in Lugano. We're going to explore alternate locations for public amenities at the Chivers Hill shops, and we'll be sure to go out to the community to seek your feedback. Our bin replacement program is over halfway complete, and we really thank the community for your patience during this transition period. We're ahead of schedule and we're on track to finish strong. Lastly, I want to say a huge thank you to the St George AFC and their 20+ volunteers who worked to successfully host a state championship AFL tournament down here at Olds Park. It was wonderful to see our facilities here in Olds Park showcased to the broader community, and I just want to say thank you. Well, that's it for me for this month's council meeting wrap up. I look forward to seeing you out and about in the community. If you have any issues, shout out to myself or any of the other councillors. As always, the full broadcast is available on council's website along with the minutes. I look forward to seeing you out and about in the community. Please reach out to myself or any other councillors if there's something you'd like raised at Georges River Council.